There's another universe. Please make some noise.
Hey y'all. Today's the 4th of July. Please excuse my attire. This is real life. People clean in clothes that can get dirty and bonnets because they don't want to sweat their hair out. So don't judge me as you see me walking through the house. Go have a great day. We're cleaning right now. Everybody's here except for Ava's dad because he had to work, which is Pepsi, get your life together. But this is his favorite holiday. So we are trying to make the best of it even though he's not here. Hopefully he'll be here in time to pop fireworks because that's his favorite thing to do. And we're going to have a good day. Come on, come on, come on. Don't you want to have fun with us today? Covington style. See that? Look at that. Sausage, cabbage, vegetables. You get the first bite. Try that. Yum, yum, yum. All right. Come on, you want the first bite?
I'm good.
So today we're going to have fried cabbage, pasta salad. Pasta salad is a new recipe. Barbecue chicken in the oven. I'm going to try to make cornbread, homemade cornbread, and we're going to do a dump cake. The dump cake is going to be a surprise to y'all.
Yes, it's going to be a big surprise because we were supposed to do it last Monday. Well, the Monday before last Monday and the Monday before that Monday. But we couldn't do it because the auto sound came off. I don't know why. So we have to do it again without the mics because I think the mics did it.
I'm making lemonade. That's why not.
Got barbecue chicken, pasta salad, cabbage, and cornbread. I just brought them out to McDonald's to get them a drink. They like the Frappuccino drinks. Kaden and Noah in the car. We were gonna go to Starbucks, but that's a little bit down the road, so we just decided to go to McDonald's. We're gonna get Noah some chicken nuggets to make sure that he gets something to eat today, because he's a little bit picky. And then after that, we're gonna go outside and have some fun. See you in a few minutes.
Haha, you missed.
Guys, here we go.
Nah, sacrifice, 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 sacrifice. Get my shield.
Stop! She's shooting it up. Oh! How you didn't even get me?
Go higher.
Oh my goodness. Ha! Still didn't get me. No! Oh yeah, I want to do the ice bucket challenge. Who's gonna nominate me? My whole YouTube channel nominate me already.
Back outside. Right now we missing Ava's daddy. This is his favorite holiday. And last year he was like, this block's so quiet. And now look. The block is loud now. He said he'll be here about 7, 8 o'clock, so
Fireworks at 7, 8 o'clock.
we are waiting for him to come home.
Is he doing fireworks?
Hopefully. We've got some in the garage from last year. So hopefully.
And we're about to get wet and white out scooters.
Yep.
And she's gonna record.
Yep, I'm gonna sit here and have fun because outside is actually my favorite place. I just haven't been out here like this summer because
Did you just see that fly?
so what? This is their home.
I don't like
Outside
flies.
is their home.
Flies are scary.
You know what else is scary? Come on, Kaden.
Okay, we're about to get wet. What else is scary though?
You. Ah! Me. Kaden, why you didn't go get the scooters first?
I don't know.
I'll go get the scooters so that you don't have to go in the house wet.
I should.
You want me to help you?
Help me?
Get the Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I act like that?
Yes, ma'am. Outside, keep going all out. Oh my God.
Oh.
There's one. Oh, here it comes. They're going.
Step back. We ate that. Okay.
One eternity later.
On private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me in your town.